Now, most Shopify builders haven't really changed in years. They're stuck in the process of still picking a theme, and once they have that theme, they're having problems customizing the theme and matching the design and style to the actual brand that they're working for. But in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Instant. Instant is different in a way because it literally lets you create your own Shopify theme. And not only is it a drag and drop builder, but it actually allows you to build out an entire page with AI. So you're essentially building out a custom Shopify theme with AI using Instant. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Instant. I'm going to be giving you a quick little demo, and I'm going to be showing you how you can build your own custom Shopify theme with Instant. But before we dive into today's video, I'd love to invite you guys to my Discord server. We are a bunch of different entrepreneurs, startup founders, designers, developers from all around the world. And we get together every single weekday to talk about different tools, different topics, different challenges. So if you guys are interested in joining these talks, feel free. Link is down in the description below. So when you head to the Instant website, instant.so, you can scroll down a little bit and you can see that it has an AI builder. It has this visual canvas where you can drag different sections around. And it creates landing pages, it creates product templates. Everything is connected to your Shopify products. So it actually creates like really sophisticated cart drawers. And you can even bring your designs from Figma to Shopify using Instant as well. And once we're up here, you can either start typing your prompt over here, click on generate, and that's gonna lead you to the sign up, or you can just start here for free. And once you sign up, you're gonna get an overview like this, where you basically have an overview of your project. You have the analytics, A/B testing is eventually something that you can also do. And over here on the left side, this is where you can insert new pages. You can edit your pages. You can see your different layers and so on and so forth. You can view your components. But what we want to do now is we want to start with a fresh new page. And over here, we have our prompt box. And this is where we can basically write what we want to build. In this case, what I want to do is I want to build out a promotional landing page for a wellness product that I have. So I'm just going to type this prompt in. And once we have the prompt ready, I'm going to click on generate, and instantly opens up this new view over here. It confirms that it's going to build a promotional landing page for me. It just needs to know what product I want to highlight. And again, once you connect your Shopify store, you just want to make sure that all of your products are here. I, for example, want to promote this specific Power Gummy. Shout outs to Costa from my community for creating these great visuals. So back here in Instant, I'm going to choose Power Gummies, and it gets the data from Shopify. It starts creating the page, and it gives us this live kind of feed of what it's building. So already straight from the get-go, we can kind of see the different sections that Instant is building. We have this nice little hero section. And once it's done, just after a couple of seconds, we get these beautiful sections. We get this hero section, we get this like testimonial little banner over here, and we start seeing images that we don't actually have. I don't have this image in Shopify. It created this image. It basically knows the context of my product and created this beautiful product image over here as well, and down here as well. These are like the benefits, for example. And I can go up here and click on preview, and we have this nice responsive design down to the mobile view. And we can obviously change the theme if we want to. We can make it blue leaf. We have a blush. We have all of these different presets that are saved into Instant. And let's say that it's kind of missing a section. We want to add an additional section. I can click on any of these components and click on the plus over here and add any of these sections from the presets on the right. So for example, I can use this, and it adds in this section, or I can click on this and click on replace. And this is where I can replace this specific section with another section. So for example, we can use one of these, and the AI automatically creates that background image. I'm very, very impressed with the quality of Instant. I've said this in one of my previous videos that I've done last year on Instant. I feel like this team really focuses on these little details that just makes the quality top notch. But anyways, once we're done with this design, it says over here, when you're happy with the layouts, click on save and go to builder to edit everything in the Instant no code builder. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, save and go to builder. And as you can see on the left side, we have way more settings. We can see our different pages. We can see the layers of this specific page that we're trying to edit. And so now this design that we created with AI opens up in the Instant editor. And we get a view of our different layers. So I can, for example, click on this and eventually change the text to whatever I want. And I can go ahead and click on insert and insert different types of sections. So I can go ahead, for example, and click on media and choose one of these, drag and drop them in here. And I can, for example, click on add Shopify content. So product, for example, we want to add one of our power gummies, and we basically get a gallery of our main product over here. Or you can build out sections from scratch. So for example, I can bring in 2 columns like this, and then inside of these columns, I can bring in, for example, like a product title. I can bring in a video on the right side, like so, a basic text paragraph underneath the product title, and eventually just make sure that the padding is consistent, make sure that the sizes of the text are also consistent. So for example, this is 50 pixels, and I can go ahead and choose this and also make it 50 pixels so that everything is consistent. And eventually, once we're done, publish the site like so, click on publish page, and basically Instant is optimizing the liquid code and deploying it to your Shopify store. And then you can open the theme editor inside of Shopify, and you basically get the design you created in Instant here in Shopify and connect it to all of your Shopify products, which is pretty insane. And not only can you create promotional landing pages, but you can even create home pages for your product or create listicles. So for example, if I click on listicles, Instant gives us a prompt like so. I can click on generate and I can choose my product. In this case, we can choose the droplet, and it creates an SEO optimized listicle page for your product. Again, as you can see, custom images that we haven't even created. And it understands the context of your product. It understands what you're selling and the benefits of it. It understands the ingredients. It understands the target market. And it generates basically a whole page for you to kind of use. And overall, this is like a genius little tip of how to use AI to kind of improve your Shopify store's SEO performance by just creating a listicle page like this and then just using AI to create the content. Anyways, again, if you don't like certain sections, you can click on replace and the AI is going to suggest some sections that you can use. And then once you're done, again, we can click on save and go to builder. And we have our new listicle page that is ready to go in our Shopify theme. And by the way, guys, Instant has a very, very high presence in Contra.com, which is one of the best freelancing platforms out there. One of my good friends, Nick Carvajal, he's been using Instant for the past 2 years, and he's also one of the Instant experts, where you can see people were hired more than 900 times, and there's more than $2.7 million in opportunities. So it's definitely a really cool tool to kind of learn and pick up on. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And like always, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.